Welcome back to another edition of the Bill and Corey Show. I'm Bill.
And I'm Corey.
Here we are on the shop floor. We got a gas cabinet that's getting ready to be, it's pretty much all tested, ready to go.
Getting ready to be gassed up, if you will.
Gassed up, yeah. So it's got another cabinet on the sales order, so we want to kind of ship things together. Mm-hmm. So this is a hydrogen 3-valve panel.
1, 2, 3
valves.
3 turnable valves, because it also has a check valve.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, sometimes 3-valve panels have 5 valves.
Yeah, no, 3 turnable valves. Yes.
Well, actually 6 if you count check valve and the check
man.
valve and the CGA.
Yes.
So really you call this because it's 3 valves.
Is this a valve?
Oh, jeez. I'll tell you, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valve panel.
But that's
But
not
really we call it a 3-valve panel.
because only 3 with handles.
3 with handles.
The 3 with handles.
Yes.
The 3-handled valve panel. That's a mouthful.
That's too much.
All right.
So this is, and you know, you can actually buy this configured cabinet in our online store.
Mm-hmm.
So you better,
Store.mathesongas.com.
you got it. So here, basic parts, the panel.
Yeah.
You got pressure regulator.
I mean, this is a basic but great, gas cabinet for hydrogen. It has all the things you need. It's
This is it. It's not one of those special ones
Yeah.
where some guy wants to have a cross purge when he doesn't need it. So this is a 3-valve panel. It's for hydrogen. 100 psi regulator, and we have here for the valves. We got we'll just talk about the main panel valves. This is a high pressure vent valve. That's your high pressure isolation valve.
And the vent comes out here and is piped to the
Yeah, the vent
outlet.
comes out here. We got a little check valve, so we can backflow stuff if something happens. So and that flows up there. So you can do a process gas purge when you have new cylinder. This indicates in the closed position. So you get a new cylinder on there, and you want to get that little tiny slug of air out. So you would. This might be. You make sure that's closed, and then you'd vent it out here, and you can do it. You can cycle purge it a few times to get all your residual air out, and then this is outlet isolation valve. It's nice to have. You can separate your cabinet from your whole rest of your system. You could run. I don't know how far away your process would be.
As long as you get flows.
So if they're doing some maintenance or something, it'd be nice to say, hey, just shut off that valve there. So that's why you have that. It's kind of standard.
And then we have the gas detection right there. And then, if it detects it goes up to this guy, and then it'll...
Yeah, so the gas detection, this type, because it has a display on it,
does not need to go to a controller.
it does not need to go to a controller, which is, it's going to cost more than one needs to go to a controller.
Yeah.
But overall,
It's,
I don't know the pricing, but
Yeah,
it'll save you money. And
we're
you
not
can wire this
salespeople. Engineers.
right to here. This is our GSM-12 emergency shutdown controller, and that will control the emergency shutoff valve. It's a pneumatic valve.
You have the sprinkler up there, and you can't see it back there, but you have the exhaust failure switch back there as well.
Oh yeah, up top here. The
magnet
exhaust
healer.
failure switch here.
Yeah,
So if
behind there.
for some reason you're not getting the exhaust is turned off in your plant.
The exhaust is exhausted.
The exhaust is exhausted. This will shut off the valve. Basically what this is looking for is that you have exhaust.
Any abnormality,
So
essentially.
if you don't have exhaust, it's gonna shut down, or if you disconnect the wires, it's gonna shut down. So that's
If you look at it cross-eyed, it's going to shut down.
no, so it's a great safety feature. So you want to make sure you have exhaust in your cabinet. Like I said, gas detection if there's a leak. We've got the other valves are. This is a relief valve that's set for 1.5 times delivery pressure roughly. So if there's a problem with the regulator, if it creeps, it's going to relieve and go in the vent line up the stack. And this is a check valve just to prevent air from backflowing into there
Yeah.
and stuff.
So yeah.
What else we have in this cabinet? Oh, the Magna Helix.
Yeah, you sort of point out. Yeah, so it just tells you that there's pressure. There's
there's
flow.
magnets?
There's
Look for
the
magnets.
magnets are for magnets.
Looking for magnets. No.
Well, you want to take out the hard magnetic particles in the
No,
hydrogen.
That's not for that. That's just like inches of water gauge. So this will tell you the suction that you
How
have.
many inches of if there's a flood?
No, not one of those things. If you're in a flood-prone area, get like a water detector thing on the bottom. You get them at probably get 'em
So not for that. Okay.
Home Goods store. Yeah, this will show you what kind of suction you have in your exhaust, which will be piped in up here.
It's a nice visual aid to let you know that it's flowing.
Now, this has automatic door closure. We don't have that.
We have it off for this video.
Just for the
Otherwise,
video,
I'd be holding it. I'd let it go. It's smack Bill in the head. And
This also has a fusible link option. So if there's a fire in the cabinet, the fusible link melts, and then it shuts off the incoming air.
like a guillotine comes down and blocks the.
And this is our one-cylinder cabinet. So this is I don't want to say popular model, but this is a kind of a common gas cabinet that we sell. So that's anything else you want to add, Corey?
Nothing I can think of. It's just This is the hydrant. You know, you want to have a nice safe hydrant.
I'm sorry, we missed. This is an excess flow switch here.
There you go.
And that's set. That's if you have breakage in the line downstream.
Yeah, you're suddenly spewing it out in the atmosphere.
You're spewing it out. This will say, "Hey, the flow's too high," and this will shut down the unit. So that's it. This is our Matheson's 3 operating valve panel for
Three-handled
hydrant.
valve.
3-handled valve gas cabinet. Tune in again next time, whenever that is, for another edition of the Bill and Corey Show.
Be on the lookout.